I knew something was up at Home Depot today when I saw the Ryobi truck outside. Okay, so I'm here in Home Depot today, and I just saw they just put up this new display. We have some new power scrubbers here from Ryobi that I wanted to show you that just came in. And as you can see, let's take a look at the date. So this is supposed to be going up on August 1st, so we're getting a jump on it big time here. And it's supposed to come down on October 30th. So the first one we have right here is the exclusive power scrubber. This is the 18-volt 1 Plus power scrubber, $79. Now, here it is right here. So what you do with this power scrubber is you can put any Ryobi battery on here, and so now you've got a nice little cordless scrubber. It says 2 hours of continuous use, and there's sort of a closer look of what it looks like there with the battery compartment. So here they're showing you some usage of it here. So tile, porcelain, and granite. I would not recommend using this on the car. These are not soft enough bristles to use on the car. Okay, now this kit does come with one 6-inch medium stiffness brush, and it is a tool only. There's no battery in this kit, so you have to already own Ryobi batteries. Now the heads are interchangeable, which gives us the perfect segue into the next item here, which is their new 2-piece medium bristle brush multi-purpose cleaning kit. And here it is right here. So it's $9 and you get 2 of these brushes. So these are both medium bristle multi-purpose cleaning brushes right here. Okay, so I will put links to all of these down below. And then this is an interesting kit here, another brand new one. So what we do with this scrubber here, this is the 4-volt compact scrubber. So this already has the battery built into it, and you just charge it whenever you need to. So this one comes with a small brush here. And of course this one is $39. And here's your part number there. Now the good news is it comes with a micro USB charging cable. The bad news is that it's a micro USB charging cable. Now I'm okay with USB, but I just prefer the Type C because that's what you're seeing more and more nowadays. These older micro USB, sometimes they're a pain in the butt to plug in. If you have it the wrong polarity, it won't plug in, then you got to flip it over, and then it doesn't plug in, and you flip it back over again, then it plugs in. I hate dealing with that nonsense. With USB Type C, however, it doesn't matter which direction, you just plug it in, kind of like the Apple Lightning cords. So I don't know why they did it that way, but... And next up on the bill here, folks, check this one out. So we have the new telescopic power scrubber. So this one's a much bigger tool than what we were showing you. So this one here also is a tool only, and it extends up to 51 inches, interchangeable heads, and again, this will run up until 2 hours. So check your Home Depot store and see if they have these new Ryobi kits in your Home Depot yet. So remember, these are going up on August 1st, but they're already here in our store. So you may not see them for another few weeks. But I'll put the links down below for these so that you can order these now if you want. And as you guys know, anytime we give you links to products, they're usually affiliate links through Home Depot, Lowe's, or Amazon. And if you buy anything through any of the links that we give you, we get credit for it. And we thank you for supporting our channel in that manner. That helps us continue to bring you great content and to keep buying more tools and products to test for you. Of course, on my way out, you know I'm going to check out the clearance items and see what's going on. And I spotted some deals here on Ridgid. So here you've got an octane planer down to 119 from 169. This is him right here. And then we have a belt sander. We got 2 different models. Here is your brushless belt sander. Your number right there for him. And we also got a drywall screwdriver. Can't believe these were $179. I think even DeWalt's are cheaper than that, but here you go. So it even has the collated attachment on there as well. Yeah, so check and see if your stores have any of these if you're looking for any Ridgid tools as well. Well, I hope you like this new lineup of tools that we discovered here today. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. That way you won't miss out a single video that we upload for you. Alright, so thank you so much for joining us today, folks, and we'll see you on the next one.